Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Another person will not hurt you without your cooperation. You are hurt the moment you believe yourself to be. It hurts when you realize you are not as important to someone as you thought you were. Most relationships fall because one person was being loved too much and the other was not being loved enough. It's sad how someone can go from being the reason you wake up smiling to the reason you cry yourself to sleep. It sucks when you know that you need to let go, but you can't because you are still waiting for the impossible to happen. If you love her, never fill her ears with lies, her mouth with words, her eyes with tears, her mind with confusion, and her heart with pain. There are two types of pain, one that hurts you and the other that changes you. It is not the goodbye that hurts, it is the flashbacks and the memories that follow. It's hard to wait around for something you know might never happen, but it's even harder to give up when it's everything you want. Because nothing makes me happier and nothing makes me sadder than you. I wish you knew how much it destroyed me when you left. The worst feeling in the world is knowing you have been used and lied to. Loving someone who doesn't love you back is like hugging a cactus. The tighter you hold on, the more it hurts. If you don't want me, don't mess with my feelings. How he treats you and how he feels about you. It might hurt to let go, but sometimes it hurts more to hold on. I acted like it was a big deal when really it was breaking my heart. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.